It's so big, it's so red. My thoughts and prayers are with everyone tonight. I'm really praying to stop soon.
I have never seen flames from my house like this, ever. This is insanity.
Oh my gosh. That's so high, honey!
This is absolutely the worst fire I've ever seen in my life. And just this morning, I woke up and I was really conscious of my mental state and my mental health because the last 3 days, I've seen such tragedy.
I can't reach anyone to see if my house is okay. And I just Googled it. And it said that it's destroyed an entire block. I don't want to say it my street. So I don't know if my house is there.
Standing in my driveway getting ready to evacuate. We've got a lot of planes going over, dropping water, but